Probably the two most influential people in my life were my two grandmothers. The way I was raised is, it doesn't matter, you respect your elders. That's just the way it is.
Pain back.
The pain's back? In your back?
No, gone.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, that's good.
yeah, very good.
He lives the actual vision value. We can see him living that life here.
When I first started, I did a little bit of work in acute care and transitional care. Other than that, it's been residential care. It's what I love the most. The characters of the folks that I work with are amazing. I really feel, even with the Alzheimer's and dementia, that we have these are productive, very intelligent people, and that's how I treat them. So that's why that loosens off a little bit. So I'm going to tighten that back up a bit.
Ron becomes part of their family. Something what they are missing here, sometimes Ron fills that gap when he sits with them and talks about his mom and dad, his family, what he did at home when on his day off. He went fishing, he did what size fish he caught. That's the family thing when you talk about on a dining table. He talks to the residents that way. So he fills that gap. When some residents don't have family coming that often, he's there.
Family members, they're not able to volunteer with us while their family members are with us. After that, and they've gone through their grievance periods or whatever, they come back. They'll come back and volunteer here, not only with me, but with the music program or on the other floors. A lot of the time, if the family members, depending on the floor that their loved one was on. That's what we're doing.
We're at the end.
All right.
Said they ask if Ron's not here around, Ron is sick, they ask, when's Ron coming back? When's Ron coming back?
The girls I work with are amazing, actually, and the therapists that I work with are experienced, and they know their jobs. They give us great direction, and as far as the other rehab assistants, it's just a really fun bunch to work with. They're all very good at their jobs. They like their jobs. I think that's a big difference in a lot of things, is that people that I work with, and they really like their jobs.
With him, we think we're more connected because of him.
It's pretty easy to work with people that want to be here.
Hey, Grace, you want to take some steps? Oh, come on,